Even as he wanders around, that boy has these thoughts. Even though he has a clear reason he knows for leaving home and not being able to go back, he still asks himself, why am I like this? It's human nature to keep having these kinds of thoughts. That's what it means to be human. Because that's human nature, that's also why it's important for others around us to support us and tell us that we're right. It's because we're human that it's so difficult to be completely on our own side. That's why we need that kind of reassurance from those around us.